Yo, today I'm gonna break down the new Afro House sample pack and the serum pack. And believe me, this is awesome. If you wanna make tracks like kind of music, you definitely have to check this pack out. It is awesome. It's a huge pack. There are so many bass loops in it, so many percussion loops in it, so many great instruments. And the serum presets are insane. I'm gonna show you some things of the pack, like the vocals, which are insane as well. And I'm gonna try to build something around that with the MIDI files inside it. So let's go. We're gonna start with the bass loops. There are so many bass loops, as you can see, and as always it is really nice numbered, so you can easily see which key it is and the BPM. So most of them are 120. Some nice Reezy kind of bass. I like the whiteness of the bass. Nice fifth in it, I like that. Kind of piano vibes. It's real nice, I like this. And the nice thing is that you have the MIDIs here. I come to that later because later in the video I'm gonna break down the serum presets and then I'm gonna use some of the MIDIs. Let's go to the instruments right now. Look how much. Wow, this is insane. I can already imagine the drums underneath this. Wait, I want to try that. I like this one. Let me add a full loop under it. I'm gonna dive into the drums later. First, I'm gonna show you some of the instruments, but I want to hear the instruments together with the full loops. This is so nice. I like the pitch drift, which you hear in this one. Well, I like this. This reminds me of someone who's about to tell a mysterious story or something. This is cool. I like this. So, some beautiful keys here. Wow. Beautiful chords. Hans Zimmer joined the chat. Look how many instrumental loops. I like this kind of loops. This is so beautiful. I like that. Oh, so many sounds. And then you have some one-shots of the instruments. That's really nice. Then I'm gonna go to the vocals. Let me check the full vocal.
No holding back. I'll run to you anytime you call. Baby, I'm down for you.
I like this. So if you just throw this in the project, this one is on D. So let me set this three notes down. This has to sound good, I think.
No holding back. I'll run to you anytime you call. Baby, I'm down for you. And anything you say, baby.
Beautiful vocal, I like that. Then you have all the separate stems of the vocal. You have the dry and the wet stems. Yeah, there are a few of these nice vocals. Check another one. Let me throw in this one. Let me set this to C to see how it sounds.
There's a feeling inside of me that I can't hide when the music comes alive. There's a feeling inside of me that I can't hide when the music comes.
This is nice. I like this. Let me just throw in another one. This one is 120, so let me set this to... Oh, we're gonna stay on A, and then I'm gonna check another instrumental loop. And I just wanna see how that's gonna sound. So let me grab this one. This one is already in the same key, so I don't have to do any further changes in the pitch. Need to turn it up. Wow, instant vibes here. Literally drag and drop.
So spiritual.
It's so nice. I like this. Now I'm gonna go to the drums. Let me check the drum loops first. So these are the full grooves. I love these percussions. We have some top loops here. Nice. I love this kind of kicks. Yeah, nice. These drums are really cool. And there are some great percussion loops in it as well. Look how many. Wow. So it's really easy to make your own drum pattern just by dropping some sounds in. I'm just gonna do random stuff right now. Let me grab this.
Oh yes, I feel good. Oh yes, oh yes, I feel good.
Yeah, this is nice. I like this. And we have some construction kits, of course. So here you have the mix and the masters of them. So let me check this one.
No holding back. I'll run to you anytime you call. Baby, I'm down for you. And anything you say, baby, I do. Cause all of me is all for you. And all my love I give to you. Take me away, take me away, take me away.
I have some World Cup vibes here. That's really nice. I like that. And you have all the separate stems of that, of course. So as you can see here, like the kicks, the pianos, the percussions, the vocals, the synths, the basses, everything is inside the construction kits. So if you just want to have instant good productions, you can just use these stems and give your own twist on it. That's super nice. And some effects like sub drops, impacts, downlifters, effect shots. Just gonna press some of them. Just some nice effects. Always nice to have in your collection, but yeah, these vocals are insane. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna check the serum pack and I'm gonna make something with a vocal of the pack. Let's open it up. So let's try to use this one.
Oh yes, I feel good. Oh yes, oh yes, I feel good.
This is a beautiful sound. This is super nice. I like this. Oh, I want to hear this together with drums. So let me just grab a sustained note like this. Let me check how this is gonna sound together with the drums. Oh, it was sounding very nice with the bass actually together. This is really cool. But I want to check some MIDIs with the instruments because I think I can make some great ideas with this. So I'm gonna go to the instruments right here. I don't know, I'm just gonna grab this one maybe. And I like to go back 5 notes then. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. I like this. I'm gonna grab one vocal and I'm gonna try to make something with this. We're gonna go to C, by the way. Let me mute the drums for a second. Or we already on C. Okay, that's nice. That's nice, yes.
There's a feeling inside of me that I can't hide when the music comes alive. So let us dance like say no tomorrow. Forget your sorrow when the music comes alive.
Let me just drag in another one and let me check the basses. I don't know if this one is working. I'm just gonna grab one and see what happens. Check if this bass is nice. And my piano dunk basses like that. Ooh, I like this. Let me check how this is gonna sound. So you create made some unique things with this. I like that. Let me check some other sounds. Wow, beautiful sounds. I'm just gonna drag in some MIDI notes. This works always, of course, like... Oh. So yeah, the options are endless. There are so many great sounds in this pack and some great serum presets as well. You have so many cool things here. There are some nice effects in it, some nice pads in it, some nice plucky sounds, some sequences and some synths. So I'm just gonna play around with them. Yeah, this is so cool. Wow. This is great. Wow, look at this. It's going crazy. Some nice controls here. And some nice sequences. Just by playing one note. So this pack is literally everything you need if you want to make good Afro house. It is awesome. The vocals are great. The samples are great. And of course the serum pack is great. So don't wait longer. This is your chance to make good Afro house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.